So we're going to look at what a radian is. If you consider a circle and it has a radius of r, and you take a pen on the side and you rotate by the distance r, the same as the radius, well, the radian will be what you end up here with it. So it's the angle that you turn through as you travel one radius around the edge of a circumference. Let me demonstrate that to you another way. Let's see, let's make this one larger. So in this case here, we have a circle and it has a radius of 4. If we travel 4 around the outside, you can see that we have 1 radian. So if I take it right down to 0, then it's not got any angle at all. If I drag it around the outside until I get 4, which is the radius, so I keep going till I get around about 4, then let's see what sort of angle we get. Our angle works out to be about 1 radian. Now we get 3.99 because it happens to be reading the distance, and it's not quite exact on this thing. So if we wanted 2 radian, how far would you end up having to travel around the outside of the circle? Well, along the circumference, you'd probably have to travel 2 radiuses. 2 radiuses would be around about 8. So let's see what happens when we get to 8. Whoopsies, just a little bit. There we go. We've got 2 radians there. So if we travel exactly 8, which is twice the radius, well, therefore we would get 2 radian angle measure in the center. If we travel 3 times the radius along the outside, let's rotate it, 3 times the radius, which should be about 12, we should end up having, oopsies, here we go, just try and drag it on there, oopsies. Close enough, okay, and that's around about 12. We have 3 radian measure in the center. So these are equivalent to angle measures, they just happen to be in radians.